of days off for Christmas. I've developed some kind of hoarse voice for some reason. Please excuse that. We've still got the furniture. We've taken off this green wiring that we had around the edges today. Tony did. But the biggest improvement has been the removal of the planters. So we did 4 massive planters today, which were absolutely root bound and weighed a ton even when empty, and ditched those, and the guys very kindly took them. We've removed the old dilapidated plastic shed thing that was at the back. These are for tomorrow, the 2 planters that remain. We found a big roll of this kind of bias green, I'm not going to call it artificial grass, but certainly maybe something that goes around the edge. We're going to try and do something with that. Swept all these up. Found a couple of extra slabs around the back, so I've just put that, which made it quite easy to wheel things out. But all these stones here that you see, these were all inside the tubs, which made them, or contributed to them weighing even more. Tomorrow's project is to remove this structure here, so we can park the bike and maybe even the trailer in here. We're yet to see. Well, it's December the 29th and another beautiful day in Portugal, and today our plan is, we've already removed the picket fence. I don't know.
They look lovely there now.
It looks much more open, doesn't it? I've got a couple of planters still to do.
Taking down this rickety old fence. There was a rubbish old fence there, wasn't there?
There really was.
It was like a wooden one, but it was just like really naff, wasn't it?
And it fell off anyway as soon as we undid 2 screws. And we are going to today
in the arch.
Take this down as well and open up this area, and then Tony can park his bike in here, and we're going to come up with another gate configuration for this area, but also suggestions maybe for what we can put down the middle here, just to give ourselves a little bit of privacy.
Comment below with some suggestions.
Suggestions of work still undergoing at the back here. I'm going to be tackling that today, and I'm also going to be tackling this. So, just give me a minute because this is quite difficult to get. I'll have to put it down. That's it. There. So this is what is underneath. This is all that's left. So the other day we emptied the far side there, which is under the decking, and I'm going to give it this a go. So that's our plan today. We've just got rid of the little fridge freezer that was indoors. We weren't using it, and this is the space. We're interested to see what they've done here. You can see they've put a little bit of ply on here and attempted to fill it over time. We're not sure why. So that's another little plan that we're going to tackle. Well, in between sitting outside and having coffee in the sun.
Look at that. Bonza. Now this end. Oh.
That end's 2 crossheads from what I could see. Well, I think we're going to call it a day today. Did a considerable amount of weeding and moved some gravel at the front. Oh, you know when you start a job and you wish you'd never done it. Back-breaking. I'm leaving the pots at the side here till tomorrow. My arm is killing me from yesterday, so hoping it'll be a bit better tomorrow. Fences have gone, pergola's gone, all the covering here is all gone. It's outside ready for Monday, and the guys will take it from the site. So that's today's work.
I'm just going to film Debs. He's emptying out the little thing we jig underneath. Look at it. We got. I'll show it outside in a minute, but Debs is underneath. And if anybody is asking why Debs is under there, it's because I have a medical condition, and I can't get in that gap because I'm too big, and I can't get in there because of my back. How's it going, Deb?
All right, Hans.
It's probably a bit too dark for the camera, but hey, you know, you're doing a sterling job. Keep it coming.
Thank you so much for your positive encouragement.
That's okay. I'm just going to go and film that stuff outside. So far, this is all the rubbish that we've accumulated outside, and by all accounts, this guy was a bit of a hoarder. just put a couple of chairs there for anybody that wants them. But look, all this will just come out from underneath as well. Look, all this stuff here. It's just masses of it, and I have no idea. But I guess once you, if you collect stuff, then you collect stuff, right? And action. Well, Deb, you've done a sterling job there.
Thank you.
I've got to say, we're now tidying up the last little dregs, and then what I'll do, I'll show you inside in a minute and how much stuff we've actually taken out of here today. It's New Year's Day, by the way. No, it's not. It's New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve, by the way.
I'm too knackered to do anything.
And so we've got all the stuff out, and look, I hope you can see inside there. So now we've got some wood, and yeah, there it is, all nice and clean. Bonzer, eh? Hopefully. Yeah, so that's it. Debs has made a sterling job of that. My back really aches because I've just lifted out all the crap. I will show you the final amount of crap that came out of there, which is over here. Look at all that. 4 chairs, tables, wood. That was all underneath the little house. Look, unbelievable. Still, we got it all out, and now we're gonna have a nice rest and a beer. Well, Deb.
Yep.
Oh look, I think it's starting to cloud over. I can't believe that. It's New Year's Eve.
What is that white fluffy thing in the sky?
I have no idea. They didn't say it was going to cloud over today, did they?
No.
Unbelievable.
So it's beautiful today.
Still.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ching. Nice beer, well earned. Lifting all that crap out, etc., etc. Yeah. But we're slowly finding out a little bit more about who can do some work for us and who can't, like electricians and stuff like that. So we're slowly making inroads into who we can appoint specifically to do all the electrics, because the electrics are absolutely
shocking.
They're really shocking. So don't keep spoiling my jokes, Deborah.
Sorry.
So yeah, cheers guys. Happy New Year to you all.